Hi guys, we're out on the Oodendata track on our way home from a great trip covering some really magic country. And I thought I'd do a little thing on the tracking and the outback tracks that I've done over the years. One of the greatest pleasures I get is sitting by a campfire like this, the old billy on the fire, a cup of coffee in my hand, and I'm sitting here at the moment watching a sunrise behind the camera, and it's a great way to spend your life. But misfortunately, so many travellers now don't get it. Being able to camp on the side of the road like this is not a right, it's a privilege. And unless we all do the right thing, there will be nowhere left, and you'll have to pay for every damn night you spend on the road. And if you think about it now, we've been on the road nearly 30 days. And if we were paying 30, 40 bucks a night for each one of those nights' camps, it would have added a considerable amount of cost to the trip. Let alone if we had to pay $100 or something a night, that would be extremely horrifically financially unbearable by most people. For the young family man, this type of camping is the only type of camping basically afford. And unless we all pull together and do the right thing, this type of camping will end, and our ability to travel in the deserts or out in the outback will be finished, because none of us will be able to afford to drive up to the desert and drive back again if we're going to spend a fortune on camping spots each day. So have a very serious think about how you camp, what you do with your rubbish, and how you treat the country in general. I was most disheartened crossing the Simpson this time, because the number of lunatics that go out on the salt plains and do donuts everywhere, I don't understand their mentality. And the parks will end up putting posts all the way across and forcing you to go one place and one place only. You have no respect for country doing that. You've got to remember the people who own this country, the Aboriginals, who allow us to share it with them, have a right for respect. And by tearing their country to pieces, the way some of you people are doing it, it's not respect. You people really and truly need to be taken and put in a jail cell where you belong, because you are wrecking this country, absolutely wrecking it. And you're destroying the country to the point where my grandchildren will not be able to travel it. And shame on you, and shame on you all.